Hello, I just want to present my application which control the machine. Here we have the user interface which was done in Node-RED, and which I can control the machine. It has also an IP address. This application can be accessible from an IP address, and the application can be easily uploaded to a Raspberry Pi or PC or something like that. And through Net2PLC SIM application, I can make the connection with the program which was made in Siemens in TIA Portal, and I can with the simulation and with this Net2PLC program, I can simulate a real PLC if I don't have one, and I can connect through this PLC here on Ethernet IP with this application. From here we select the index. For example, if we select index 3, for the moment the index selected is number 2. Also in the PLC we have number 2, and if I press change index, the index is changed to 3, and also in our PLC it is changed to 3. Okay, if I try to select an invalid index, I press change index, and we can see that the index is not changed. Also in the PLC is not changed. I go back to select index 4. I change the index. From here I select the emptying timeout time. For example, here it is 8.5 seconds. And if I press start from here, we select the frequency 24, and if I press start machine, we can see also the countdown, how much time we left, and it will go to 0 when the time it is done. Also, if I press start machine, it will go in running, and if the torque is lower, it will go for 5 seconds to the negative. I'll change back, I'll put more here to have a more clear about the torque. Okay, I press start. Now the pressure is lower. For 5 seconds it will turn back, and it will go back to 24. Also, we have here service. If I press service, it is in service, and I can manually forward the auger and stop. I go service again, and I press reverse. Okay, and I stop again, and I press again service. I press start, and it will go until the pressure threshold will be higher than the actual pressure. Okay, I pressed stop again. It will go in idle condition, and also during the running, if I'm trying to change the index, it will not allows me to change the index. Let's try. I'll change index 4. I press change index, and it will not change until it will go until the machine will go from the running to idle state. And now if I press change index, it will change to 5. Okay, here we have also I put, for example, an error. If I press start and I trigger the error, we have error. Also the output, the frequency output is 0, and I can clear the error only if I enter in service state. And after that, I can run the machine again. If the pressure is less than the actual pressure, it will not run until we reach the pressure again. Okay. I stop the machine.